Hello everyone, and welcome back to Jay Get It, where the only people who get it are the people who get it. Today, we're going to tackle something super important, financial terms. We'll break down 20 key financial terms so that by the end of this video, you'll be a financial whiz. So let's get started. Budget. A budget is a plan for your money. It helps you keep track of how much you're earning and spending. Think of it as your money map. Income. Income is the money you make. Whether it's a form of a job or a gift or an allowance, it's the cash flow coming in your pocket. Expense. Expenses are the money you spend. This can be anything like food, clothes, or entertainment. It's the cash flow leaving your pocket. Savings. Savings is the portion of your income that you don't spend. You put it aside for future needs or emergencies. It's like your financial safety net. Investment. Investing is using your money to make more money. This could be through buying stocks, bonds, or real estate. It's putting your money to work. Interest. Interest is the cost of borrowing money or the reward for saving it. If you borrow, you pay interest. If you save, you earn interest. Debit. Debit is money you owe to others. This can be in the form of loans, credit cards, or other borrowing. It's money you need to pay back. Credit score. A credit score is a number that shows how good you are repaying debt. The higher the score, the better. It's like a report card for your financial trustworthiness. Loan. A loan is borrowed money that you have to pay back, usually with interest. It can be for things like school, a car, or a house. Mortgage. A mortgage is a special kind of loan used to buy a house. You pay it back over many years, usually with interest. Asset. Assets are things you own that have value, like a car, house, or even your phone. They can be sold for cash. Liability. Liabilities are things you owe, like debt or loans. It's money you're responsible for paying back. Equity. Equity is the value of an asset you own minus any debt on it. For example, if you own a house worth $200,000 and owe $50,000 on it, your equity is $150,000. Net worth. Net worth is a total assets minus your total liabilities. It's a snapshot of your overall financial health. Inflation. Inflation is the rise in prices over time, which makes money worth less. For example, a candy bar that used to cost $1 might cost $1.50 now. Diversification. Diversification means spreading your investments around so you don't pull all your eggs in one basket. It helps reduce risk. Dividends. Dividends are payments made to shareholders from a company's profits. If you own stock, you might get dividends as a reward. Portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of all your investments. It could include stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. Liquidity. Liquidity refers to how quickly you can convert an asset into cash without losing value. Cash is very liquid. A house, not so much. ROI, or return of investment. ROI measures how much money you can make an investment compared to what you put in. It's a way to see if your investment was worth it. And there you have it. 20 key financial terms made very simple. Understanding these basics can help you make smarter decisions. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which terms was new to you. See you next time on Jay Get It.